Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for December 8th of 2025 is titled Flying Over the Earth at Night. So what do we see here? Well, here we see a video that we're going to watch. This is taken a time-lapse video of the Earth as seen from the International Space Station. So as we watch it, we will see various different areas of the Earth as we fly over them from above. So let's go ahead and start the video and watch the Earth as it turns below. And we'll start off with the black screen, and then slowly you'll start to see the limb of Earth begin to appear. We can see clouds and we can see the lights of the cities down below, showing the much more populated areas with the much more significant light pollution. The flashes of light in the clouds would be lightning storms here on Earth. And as we continue to travel through, we can also see off in the distance the thin haze of Earth's atmospheric layer. So that's the atmosphere as seen from above. And again, a lot of cloud cover as well as many oceans as we move through. And now it starts to brighten off to the left. And that is simply the sunrise coming. And then that will flare out and we'll look at another one. Here we pass over Florida and then down into the Caribbean. And again, here another one, we start to see all those lights of the various cities around and the flashes of lightning storms. And as we pick up various different areas, we fly over here over Europe, and there's Italy, and then we'll head across the Mediterranean and we'll be able to see the illumination along the Nile River off to the right as we fly over the Arabian Peninsula. And now we're in a very cloudy area. We're seeing the aurora. We're much further north, snowier, icier, and we're seeing the distinct green color of the aurora in the sky. And here we see again more aurora, very prominent here with the green and the red up above it, and very strong from solar storms affecting Earth's atmosphere. And here we're seeing them from above in the International Space Station rather than from below as we're used to seeing them. We see them again here as they fade away, and we can see that distinct color of the Earth's atmosphere off to the side there, and we can also see the curvature of Earth very clearly here, even from low Earth orbit. So while we cannot see the entirety of Earth, we can certainly see the curvature of Earth even from just a few hundred miles up. And as the video ends there, then we can go ahead and really consider what we've looked at in this image, what we've been able to see. And we've been able to see things like the curvature of Earth, been able to see the light pollution, Earth's atmosphere, and the aurora, as well as various different parts of the world that the space station happened to fly over during the time these time-lapse images were taken. So that was our picture of the day for December 8th of 2025. It was titled Flying Over the Earth at Night. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be soul dust. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.